In today's investment universe, the environment has become almost impossibly complex. Scores of investment options exist, each requiring highly specialized expertise to manage them to their full potential. And the fact is, there hasn't ever been a single asset management strategy that can outperform all market conditions. Typically, different asset managers perform differently under different market conditions. An investment style that's flavor of the moment could underperform down the line when it goes out of style. Identifying, harnessing, and exploiting the full potential of a complex, interconnected investment universe requires a big-picture approach that simultaneously keeps track of every last detail. This is where Momentum's investment stewards come into their own, offering you diversified portfolio solutions to meet your investment goals. Multi-management is a proven way to spread your exposure across multiple asset classes using various strategies within a dynamic portfolio that adapts over time to maximize and protect your investment. Momentum Multi-Manager manages a wide range of both multi- and single-asset class multi-managed portfolios, offering our clients a well-structured portfolio solution with access to both local and global financial markets, investment managers, and varying investment strategies. Our multi-asset class range of portfolios represents our best ideas, known as the Momentum Factor Series. The Factor Series offers a range of portfolios with differentiated risk profiles, as they contain a blend of uncorrelated asset classes, for example, equities, bonds, cash, and alternatives. The investment horizons for the different portfolios vary from 4 to 7+ years. What makes these portfolios so effective is they work on a life stage progression model. That means we look at the lifespan of your total investment, and we ensure a seamless transition between the continuous phases. The first phase is accumulation, a capital building phase for long-term investors with an investment horizon of 7+ years. Typically, up to 80% of your exposure would be in higher-yielding growth asset classes with a higher risk rating, such as equities and property. Even though these asset classes may be more volatile, in the long term, they are expected to provide returns above inflation. 6 years from maturation, we temper the accumulation with around 67% allocated to higher risk assets and slightly increasing the allocation to more defensive asset classes. The consolidation phase commences 5 years before maturation. Exposure to growth asset classes is tempered down to around 55%, with the emphasis now shifting to asset classes that will preserve the purchasing power of the capital accumulated. The final phase is pre-retirement, with an investment horizon of just 4 years. An even more defensive short to medium strategy is adopted, with 57% now allocated to capital preservation. This makes for a highly effective and resilient investment strategy, ensuring portfolios remain flexible, adaptable, and diversified, offering attractive risk-adjusted returns and a consistent investment experience. Momentum offers a further range of multi-managed single and multi-asset class portfolios aimed at clients' unique investment needs. Each has specific return objectives and outcomes that cater for different risk appetites and investment horizons. Absolute return funds generate steady, positive returns in all market environments using a variety of investment strategies. Real return funds optimize returns in positive market cycles and reduce the risk of loss when markets fall. Flexible bonds take advantage of interest rate cycles, thereby maximizing income and capital growth. At the low-risk end of the scale, money market investments offer short-term preservation of capital while maintaining full liquidity. Achieving real returns and strategy diversification is a key feature of our portfolio construction process and is addressed through effective manager allocations. The investment managers selected for our investments are highly rated and complement each other. The optimum allocation is achieved by combining well-diversified strategies and skillful managers. Finally, Momentum Multi-Manager offers even more investment diversification in the shape of global investments. Our global investments are allocated across asset classes and countries around the world. They can be focused on a single asset class or allocated to multiple asset classes. Holdings may include positions in various equity, fixed income, currency, and commodities. When selecting our global mandates, we collaborate with Momentum Global Investment Management, which was established in the UK in 1998 as a specialist global investment manager. For the modern investor, the multi-management approach increases the likelihood of achieving your goals. With so many moving parts to consider, constructing these portfolios requires the highest levels of expertise and diligence every step of the way. This is what sets Momentum's investment stewards apart. They not only know and understand the financial strategies available, but more importantly, how best to interweave them to complement and produce robust investment outcomes, all in strict compliance with the regulatory frameworks that govern them. With unrivaled financial instinct, honed by years of experience, Momentum's investment stewards will sift through all the options to determine the strongest, most stable investment strategies for you. We follow a time-tested methodology, strictly following the Momentum investment philosophy of outcome-based investment. It puts your goals at the center of our day-to-day investment process, meaning your portfolio will be structured based on your specific investment goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. Our process has 3 critical steps to success, starting with multi-asset class analysis, where we identify, assess, and allocate assets for optimal risk management. We then focus on our multi-strategy, deciding which different strategies will enable consistent market returns in dynamic marketing conditions. And finally, we optimize implementation through multi-mandate, hand-picking your investment managers to maximize the specialist expertise available in different management styles. Multi-manager investment is the innovation that put Momentum Investment Management on the map over 25 years ago. With your team of experts to guide you through it, the world of local and international investment becomes your oyster.